Welcome to Canada Technology and Information. Please subscribe to more smartphone informations.
Leaf Ear is a tribute to all the people who can listen to music differently. It has revolutionary and built technology which amplifies the audio, auto-tunes it according to the taste of the music lover and makes you really feel the deepest details of your music. It's built for those who can catch the beats that others can't. Our patented technology gives you the sound experience of a live concert, straight in your ears. Ergonomic design. Lightweight, 3 different sizes of earbuds for your customized fit, 3 different sizes of earbuds, sweatproof and perfect for gymming, running, and even dancing. High quality audio. Specially built for music lovers, Leaf Ear delivers a powerful experience to pump you up for the day. With a frequency response of 20 Hz minus 20 kHz and sensitivity of 101 decibels, it's an ideal combination of power and wide frequency range from deepest bass to highest treble. Long battery life. Leaf Ear is power-packed with a Li-ion 75 mAh battery that gives an extraordinary battery life of 8 hours music playback with a charging time of just 1.5 hours. Standby battery duration on one single charge is 150 hours. Music as it should be. With Leaf Ear, we make you feel the music the way it should be. Jazz, rock, hip-hop, Hindi music, Sufi and whatnot, Leaf Ear is tuned to perfection to make you experience all these music genres better than ever. Unbelievable tech specs. Battery capacity, 75 mAh, standby time, 150 hours, music playback time, 8 hours, charging time, 1.5 hours, impedance, 32 ohms, speaker output, 2*2 milliwatts, frequency response, 20 Hz minus 20 kHz, sensitivity, 101 decibels plus minus 3 decibels.
Thanks for watching. Please support and subscribe for more smart